Hello, my name is Andres Williams, and I'm a voiceover artist.
He uses his mouth to make words come out of it.
This is a recording from my home studio.
He sits in a tiny dark room on his own and won't come out.
I use a microphone, Neumann TLM 103, a preamp,
Focusrite Sapphire Pro 14.
and a digital audio workstation.
A door.
I adore you.
We have to get out of here.
Open the door.
It's so hot, I can't breathe.
Open it. Open it.
Sound-treated voiceover studio.
Neumann TLM 103.
Focusrite Sapphire Pro 14. Mac Mini late 2012.
Pro Tools 11 and Reaper DAW.